Let's face it, staying productive is about working smarter, not harder. And with ChatGPT, you can plan more efficiently, prioritize more, and save time, if you know what to ask. So, in this video, we will look at 8 simple but powerful ChatGPT prompts that will help you get more done with less stress. Let's get into it. Prompt number 1, time auditing prompt. For our first prompt, how about we start by finding out exactly where our time really goes? Tell ChatGPT specifically what you did yesterday. For example, the meetings you attended, focused work, any offhand tasks, random scrolling, phone calls, etc. And ask it to sort everything into deep work, administrative, or distractions by using this prompt. Yesterday I did, list out your tasks and the approximate times, categorize each as deep work, administrative, meetings, or distractions. Show me what to reduce or cut to free up time. Prompt number 2, Focus Finder. Next, ditch any low-value, busy work by focusing on what really moves the needle. This prompt will help you pinpoint the tasks that deliver the biggest results, so you can double down on what works and cut out the rest. Just paste in your to-do list and ask, which 20% of these tasks will likely generate 80% of my results? It's a simple yet effective way to stop spinning your wheels and to spend your time where it really counts. Here's the prompt. Here's my current list of tasks. Paste in your list. Identify the top 20% of tasks most likely to produce 80% of my results and explain why. Prompt 3, Energy-Based Scheduling. Use this prompt to plan your toughest tasks when you're at your peak and save easier work for low energy times. Tell ChatGPT when you feel most focused and when you tend to drag. Then paste your task list. It'll organize everything so you can tackle your toughest tasks when you're the sharpest. Here's the prompt. I'm most focused during this time range and least focused during this time range. Here's what I need to do this week. Paste in your tasks. Create an optimized daily schedule that matches my high focus tasks to my peak energy hours. Number 4, Delegation Decision Prompt. There is no need to do everything on your own. This prompt helps you figure out exactly what tasks you should personally handle, what tasks to delegate, what to automate, and what to drop completely. ChatGPT will clarify what tasks deserve your time and which ones don't. Here's the prompt. Analyze this list of tasks. Paste list here. For each task, recommend whether I should do it myself, delegate it, automate it, or eliminate it, with a short reason why. Prompt 5, Eisenhower Matrix Sorter. If you feel buried in tasks, this classic method cuts through the chaos by leveraging the Eisenhower Matrix Sorter, which is a decision-making tool that helps you prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Paste your task list into ChatGPT and have it organize them into 4 groups. Do now, schedule for later, delegate, or delete. This instantly highlights what needs your attention, what can wait, or what you can drop. Here's the prompt. Here's my to-do list. Paste in your tasks. Sort them into these 4 categories. Urgent and important, do immediately. Important but not urgent, schedule it. Urgent but not important, delegate it. Not urgent and not important, delete it. Prompt 6, Weekly Planning Template. Plan your week the smart way and not with guesswork. This prompt will help you block deep work time, batch your meetings, handle admin tasks in segments, and leave room for any unexpected issues. Tell ChatGPT how many hours you want for each type of work, and get back a clear weekly schedule you can actually stick to. Here's the prompt. Help me plan my ideal work week. 15 hours for deep work, 5 hours for meetings batched together, 5 hours for admin and email. Include 1 hour per day for daily planning, and add a 5-hour buffer for any unexpected tasks or urgent issues. Present it as a simple weekly calendar outline. Prompt 7, Backward Project Planner. If you struggle with meeting your deadlines and have a lot of last-minute stress, this prompt will help you build a project plan starting at the finish and working backwards. Tell ChatGPT your project and your due date, and it'll map out milestones and daily tasks with a built-in buffer time so you're never rushing at the last minute. Here's the prompt. I need to finish project name by this due date. Create a backward timeline with weekly milestones and daily action steps. Include extra time for unexpected delays. Prompt 8, Long-Term Goal Aligner. And last, if you're one of those big picture long-term thinking types, use this prompt to break your 5-year plan into clear steps for this year, this quarter, this month, and this week. This will help keep you focused on the present while you work towards your future. Here's the prompt. My 5-year goal is, fill in the blank. break this down into what I should accomplish this year, this quarter, this month, and this week to stay on track. And that's it. 8 powerful ChatGPT prompts to help you plan smarter, focus faster, and get more things done. Now, make sure to let me know which prompt or prompts you found most useful in the comments, and don't be shy about using that like, share, and subscribe button. You can download this list in the description below. And now here's another video.